In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Citizens Access mobile app, step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're new to online banking or just need some assistance setting up the app on your mobile device, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a clear and easy to understand manner. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Citizens Bank mobile and online banking overview webpage. This website is your starting point for accessing the mobile app. You can easily find it by typing in the URL, which is www.citizensbank.com/mobile and online banking overview, ASPX, into the browser on your smartphone. Once you're there, you'll see an overview of the benefits and features the app offers, as well as information on how to get started with online banking. As you scroll through the page, you'll notice links that direct you to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Now, it's important to select the correct option based on the type of device you're using. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, you'll click on the link to the App Store. For Android users, the Google Play option will be the one you want to select. This is crucial because downloading the app from the appropriate platform ensures that it will work seamlessly with your device. After clicking on the appropriate link, it will take you directly to the app's download page in the respective store. From here, you'll simply need to click on the install button, and the download process will begin. This part is usually straightforward, but make sure your device has enough storage and a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. One thing to keep in mind is that even though I'm demonstrating these steps using a computer for clarity, you'll need to perform the actual download directly from your phone. This is because mobile apps are specifically designed to function on mobile operating systems, so attempting to download them on a PC might not yield the desired results. Once the app is downloaded, you can find it on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app icon to launch it, where you'll be prompted with a few setup screens to customize your app experience. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your Citizens Access account credentials, or you can register if you haven't done so already. Downloading the Citizens Access mobile app is a vital step in taking full control of your banking experience on the go. It provides the convenience of monitoring transactions, transferring funds, and managing your accounts right from your handheld device. Once installed, you'll see how intuitive it is to use, making managing your finances hassle-free. So, that's it for today. I hope this guide helps you successfully download the Citizens Access mobile app. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy banking!